We all have that one dress shirt we love until it turns yellow. I don't care how careful you are, body oil, sweat, and friction all play a part in yellowing of the collar. That's where Pristine Collars comes in. Pristine Collars is a spray that claims to protect your shirt collars from stains before they even start. I've been testing this product out and I got some thoughts. Today I'm going to go over this product, show you how to use it, and give my 2 cents on why I think this product is a go-to product. Let's get right into it. So this is a spray itself. What this is meant to do is keep your collars and also underarm areas looking white even before the stains start. To apply this before you wear the dress shirt, preferably a newer dress shirt, you would keep on top of this. You would spray this, let it dry, and then reapply every time you wash. It keeps that white dress shirt white longer. And everybody saw my dress shirt at the beginning of the video. Look at that. This is a nice white dress shirt that I enjoyed wearing, but you can see that the oil and the sweat from my body just took control and pretty much ruined this dress shirt. I don't even wear this anymore. I don't know why it was in my closet, but look what that can do. Now, a fun fact here, 25% of the population has the chemistry that actually dyes the fabric yellow in dress shirts. And I guess I am one of the 25% because my dress shirt is of course ruined. I wish I had Pristine Collars before I even got that dress shirt, because this would probably save my dress shirt right now. I'd probably be wearing that one on camera. Again, this product is a barrier. It blocks the sweat and the oils from penetrating that fabric. And funny fact, if you wear a tie, which I tend to do a lot, look at this. Let me just pop up my collar. That wrap around my neck, look underneath. Anything underneath, if there's moisture underneath there, it's going to get trapped. Any movement in my body, if I move my tie, there's friction. If I have sweat, grime, etc. build up on top of that, that is not going to end well for my dress shirt. So before I apply the product to a dress shirt and I show you how to do that, who is this product for? Well, first of all, it's anybody who wears light colored dress shirts. Again, more so white. You've probably been in the same boat as myself before with those dress shirts. You saw that yellowed one. Even if it's not yellowed to that extent, you've probably experienced some yellowing before. Secondly, anybody who sweats a lot or excessively sweats. And again, if you're not excessively sweating, are you sweating at work? You got to think, when are you wearing these dress shirts? If you're wearing them at work and you notice that you're sweating throughout the day, this product is for you. Maybe you're the person who's attending a lot of summer weddings. Guess what? If you only have one dress shirt, or a lighter dress shirt, this product is for you. Myself, for example, I've told a lot of people that I referee hockey, I have to dress up. Even after the game, yes, I still shower, but who knows what's still underneath on my neck, and that's probably going to affect my collar. And finally, anybody who buys expensive dress shirts. If you're going out spending $80, $90, $100 on a dress shirt, a higher end dress shirt, you want to make it last. Especially if you're buying white, you want to ensure that that's going to stay white. So if you could relate to any of those examples that I just talked about, Pristine Collars is for you. And let's dive right into this. I'll show you how to apply this. All right, welcome to my kitchen table. I'm going to show you how to apply the product onto a dress shirt right now. Again, this product is for newer dress shirts, or maybe you have a white dress shirt and you're starting to notice yellowing. I've already done a dress shirt, I've sprayed it, I've worn it for a bit. I'll show you in a second how that turned out. I have on the table my yellow dress shirt. This is going to be, it's not a test. I'm just going to show how to apply it. This isn't going to revive the shirt. The shirt is done. It's garbage. I've tried, and you've probably noticed before, or if you tried yourself, you know, getting an old toothbrush and some soap, trying to scrub that off, it just doesn't work. It's already dyed the fabric. This is just going to be the show and tell, the demonstration. Most of the time you're going to do this with a new dress shirt or a dress shirt that you have that's starting to yellow. It's not going to like fix the yellowing. It's just going to guard. It's going to put up a guard to prevent it from yellowing further. You have the Pristine Collars spray right here, and I've pulled out my ironing board just because it's a flat surface to use, and why spray on the table? Let's use the ironing board. I have my ironing board there, and then I'm going to open up my collar. You're going to see the tag. You're going to open it up. I'm going to take this Pristine Collars spray, and on the instructions it says about 4 inches away from the shirt itself. I'm just going to do a couple passes on the collar, and you would hypothetically do the same. If you want to do the underarms, you would just find wherever the underarms are, do a little spray there too. So I have the bottle roughly 4 inches-ish, and I'm going to just do a couple passes there. Simple as that. Now we wait 5 to 10 minutes. You can put this on a hanger and then hang it somewhere to dry. Once it's fully dry, guess what? You're good to wear it. So hypothetically, say if you were gonna do this, I would do this the night before work. If you know you're gonna be wearing a dress shirt to work, or you have a job interview that you wanna wear a specific dress shirt for, again, more so white, do this the night before because it technically has to dry. Once this is on a hanger, we're gonna let it air dry. It's not like you can throw this directly in the dryer. We're gonna let this air dry, and again, once it's been about 10 minutes, you can come over, feel it, and then if it is dry to touch, you are then able to wear it right away. Like I mentioned before, I did try this out during the week. I found a white dress shirt in my closet. This is not new. If I bring it closer, you can see there's some wrinkles. So this has been worn. This white dress shirt is obviously not like the other one. It hasn't gotten that yellow, but again, I do not want to get to that stage. I've noticed some yellowing. Again, this spray is not going to fix the yellowing. It's going to prevent further yellowing. So I'm just going to take it off the hanger, and I'll bring it up closer to see the collar itself. If I bring it up closer, we can see, again, you might have a little discoloration, more so right in the middle. You can sort of see around the edge. Compare it with the other one. Not like this is it's a lot better, I gotta say. So if you're a person wanting to preserve your white or light colored dress shirts, Pristine Collars gets the thumbs up in my book. With these collared shirts, the underarms, you can do those as well. This is like a per wear basis. So what I did here is I sprayed it, let it dry, and then I wore it a couple days. Again, we sort of went over how it looked inside, not bad. Whenever I go to wash this shirt now, the spray washes off. So again, we would have to just recoat it. We can just do a couple passes to reapply that guard, that stain guard. If you're somebody who sweats a lot, or you're wearing white dress shirts to work, more so in the summertime, this product is probably most benefit to you. So again, I want to thank Pristine Collars for sending me the spray. Very cool product. Again, I've tested out on my dress shirt here, and it does make a difference. It's a game changer. If I can block off the sweat, because I do sweat a lot, especially in the summer, I want to ensure that my dress shirts are staying white, and white for a long time. If you are interested in learning more about this product, or you're somebody who sweats a lot or wears white dress shirts, I'm going to put Pristine Collars information in the description. Feel free to go online. You can read up a little bit more and potentially buy a bottle yourself. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.